Are we connected through an invisible energy field that shapes life, memory, and intuition? In this episode, we'll explore Rupert Sheldrake's fascinating concept of morphic fields and how these information patterns influence your biology, your habits, and even your ability to manifest new realities.
Who is Rupert Sheldrake? Sheldrake is a biologist from Cambridge who spent years studying how plants and animals communicate. Over time, he noticed patterns that traditional science couldn't explain, like why certain behaviors seem to quote-unquote spread without direct teaching. This led him to develop the theory of morphic resonance, the idea that every living thing is connected through invisible energy fields that create and carry information. In other words, there's a field around us influencing us, and we are influencing it right back. Sheldrake describes morphic fields as invisible energy templates. Think of them like the Wi-Fi of nature. You can't see the signal, but it's carrying instructions. These fields contain information about how plants grow, how animals behave, and even how humans think and learn. Here's the fascinating part. When one group of organisms learns something new, it becomes easier for others, even miles away, to learn the same thing. This isn't random coincidence. Sheldrake suggests it's because of shared fields of information. It's like every thought, every belief, every action adds to a kind of collective memory stored in the field. How morphic resonance works. Sheldrake's theory says that these fields influence habits of nature. For example, crystals forming new shapes suddenly become easier for other crystals worldwide to form. When researchers teach rats a new maze in one lab, rats in a distant lab learn faster even without contact. And humans experience this too. Ever have a breakthrough idea only to discover someone else just had it? According to Sheldrake, we're tapping into the same field. We're co-creating patterns that ripple out beyond us. Why does this matter for manifestation? So what does this mean for you and your energy? If thoughts and behaviors are stored in morphic fields, then your beliefs, emotions, and actions are contributing to patterns that shape reality. That means the more people hold a certain vision, the stronger that possibility becomes. Tuning into aligned energy fields makes it easier to create shifts in your own life. When you change your patterns, your field changes and the world responds differently to you. This connection beautifully connects what we've explored with Joe Dispenza, Neville Goddard, and Bruce Lipton. But Sheldrake takes it further, showing us that manifestation isn't just personal, it's collective. Practical ways to work with morphic fields. You can start to engage with morphic fields in simple ways. You can set clear intentions, send new patterns into the field. You can meditate on coherence. Align your heart and your mind to amplify your signal. You can surround yourself with aligned energy. The groups you're part of influence your field. So remember, you're not separate. Every belief, every vision, every thought you hold adds to the field, shaping what's possible for you and for everyone. Sheldrake's work reminds us that we're all connected through energy, memory, and invisible patterns that ripple through life itself. In our next episode, we'll explore the cutting-edge research of Dr. Dean Radin and the Institute of Noetic Sciences, where scientists are proving in real experiments that your thoughts can literally influence physical reality. If this resonates, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember this, every thought you hold isn't just yours, it's part of the collective field shaping our future. Thank you for viewing. See you on the next one.